How to turn off text to speech on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to turn off the text to speech on Android, what you need to do is tap on the settings of your device. So as you tap on settings of your device, scroll down and tap on additional settings over here. Then tap on languages and input. And as you do that, scroll down and here at the very end, you can see the option of text to speech output. So tap on it and it will lead you to this screen something like this where you have preferred engine of speech recognition and synthesis from Google. Then you can have the language that you can select over here. I've used the system language, and then go back here. You can choose a speech rate, you can choose the pitch as well, but here you do not have the option of turning off the text to speech on Android. You can either play or you can tap on reset, and that's it. You cannot turn off completely the text to speech option on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.